Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so we got a case from Motorola for the Moto G Stylus 5G 2022. So I have the phone right here, and I learned my lesson from last time with my Pixel 5. So I tend to always want to have a case. Maybe I'm pretty good with my phones at home, but when I'm out and about, yeah, I want to make sure that I keep them protected. So this is an official case from Motorola, and yeah, um, it feels nice. It's got a little matte finish to it. So for those who are like, I don't like fingerprints, you won't get fingerprints on this case. And so yeah, let's pop the phone in. And it's got a little bit of a lip guard for the camera, so that's always nice. And it's got a little bit of a lip for the display itself, so that's good as well. I can tell you guys, it actually feels pretty nice. And yeah, it's kind of cool to have a Motorola case for the phone. Here, Mario, hold it up. I mean, kind of like rocking, Google Pixels with their Google case. So why not, right? Anyways, pick this case up, $16.99 on Amazon. You can find them, and they come in a variety of colors. This is just one of the colors, and I just figured, I would go something a little bit different. So like kind of like a maroonish color, even though the Pixel 2 XL's camera is not doing it any justice. You guys will see photos like on my Instagram and whatnot. So yeah, I'm kind of happy to have this case now. Keeps it protected, and then of course, got this nice spot for the stylus to come out. And you can put the stylus back in. Nice cutout for the 3.5mm headphone jack, charging port, and speaker. And cutout for your noise cancellation mics. So, why not? Feels nice in the hand. Gotta give it to them. It's a nice case from Motorola. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for checking it out. As always, Law.